Flat tire. Sheesh.
Hello and assalamu alaikum. How's everyone doing? Welcome to Anwar Bondhu vlogs. I'm chicken korma malamu for the first time. Yeah, it is for the first time. I can't remember me cooking that dish anyway. So I'm going to show you what I prepared. It's going to be a quick one. I make no mistake, Corey. Please forgive me. And then it turns out good. And tastes good as well. That's the most important thing. I took some advice from a few people. The last person I called today was Naz. Right, he's a chef. He used to work in Water Lily. Now these guys own the Chand. So thank you, Naz. I just want to say thank you very much. Hold up for Lacey. Like that's my testfata. That's my onion. Blender by that fatai this, you know, them ones. Same thing with that. Well, obviously that was ready made. That's from this brand, ginger and garlic. I've got the pepper powder, black pepper powder, LIC powder, daikini, oil in there, chicken in the bag. I want to show you again, chicken in the bag. I don't want to show you the raw thing. It don't look good. Anyway, they all goes good. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bailey's go in. I need to open the daikini. Come on, daikini. It's a very good daikini thing. One wife it. Nicely presented. So I'm going to put 2 of this in. Daikini. I don't know why I'm putting 2. Not this one. I'll put this here. Daikini, I'm going to bust it as well in a bit. So I've Dekhrato, Tara disi. Unko Tadaling. Bismillah. Salt goes in. Hopefully that should be enough. Give it a stir. Apparently, how do you know your onion is cooked? All the oil is going to come to the top. That's what I've been told by the master chef. Make it away. Bismillah. My chicken does in that well, so I'm going to elachi powder. How much of this do I put in there? I don't know. Maybe a bit more. There. Pepper powder. Beautiful, beautiful. Apparently, after you say, because the oil has come to the top. My chicken is ready. Don't want to show you this really. Chicken is ready. Let me switch the tap off. Hold that on like you see. And Bismillah, that's going to go in now. I washed it thoroughly. Oh yeah. Hopefully that's enough there. So apparently, first minute or 5 minutes, I'm gonna keep it closed up or something. Where's my lid gone? You go there, massive lid. I'll see you after 5 minutes. What can I say? Big assalamu alaikum to everyone. I got my boss called this here about 20 times. She didn't answer the call. I just want to know how she really makes the chicken korma her style. Okay, 5 minutes gone. Let's see what's happened. Should I add a bit more water? I just want to add a bit more water because I don't want it to dry out. So hot water. That's boiling water. That's enough. Cook it for 10 minutes and it should be done. Hasta la vista. Guys, dukko dilo. First time in my life. Tire bust to yourself. Well, it probably had a slow puncher. Actually, it had 2 nails stuck inside it. It could have happened anywhere. I'm not remember nearly every house are getting some DIY done. Bismillah. Some very nice weather. I'm gonna take my boy to the park today. Wow. Bismillah. Look at that. I just need to taste it. Oh, it looks good. Rani. Hopefully chicken wings here. Let me taste it. Bismillah. Bismillah. Wow. Nice and buttery. Zero spice for the first time. Apart from me adding them lovely green chilies in there. Wow. Kitautam. Thank you very much for those who out there helped me out, giving me a lovely advice on how to cook it. And I think I've done a very good job.